So in number 3, what is step 4 of the given input? Kan step 4 bawk kan step 4 to hniattir L3 L2 L1 R1 R2 R3 R4 R5 anita so heda hian L3 to L3 to 89 tiro 89 L2 to 38 89 38 16 R5 to wholesale eta R4 to suffering melem kan step 4 here 89 38 16 wholesale breathing ideal nostalgic suffering tika kan step 4 to run ni tamo so ang kan answer to none of these pahni khat pahni thumvel in check nga a in anglo L3 L2 L1 nemo L3 le R4 ti vele mo tika in han check chuan a in ang low in mu ngal chuan answer to none of these ani ngal me. Number 4, how many words or numbers are there between 38 and suffering in final step? Kan final step chu nge kha ti hian ani dan turang kha na ron in rem to ta ni final step a chuan outward arrangement kan ti khamu outward ni chuan hian pon zong in L1 L2 L3 omanga dinglama R1 kha hita pon zong bokina kalanga chuan 38 chu enge ni kan han enang 38 to L2 nya tiro L2 to sending karonda suffering to R4 ania R4 heta hian oma L2 le R4 inkara hian palia oma tiro kan answer to 1 2 6 5 emma omlawa none of these kan shethiam ang chu khakachu. Next which of the following represents the position of wholesale in the third step? Third step aron dia third step ka intinge om kha third step ani chuan a masabera L3 omanga atobera R3 omanga tiro chuan alai khakan rem le anga heti hian ron omang L3 le R3 om chuan step 3 ni ti nanya chuan he kan rem heti hian kan rem le anga. What is the which of the following represents the position of wholesale? Wholesale to R5 anya R5 hi heta han omta R5 position to fourth from the left, fifth from the right, sixth from the left to nilawa, fifth from the left po nilawa. Both 1 and 2, both A and B ti nani hi chu. Fourth from the left ni boka tiro, fifth from the right ni boka. Answer to option E, both A and B here. Hi chu typing mistake ni hi both A and B tito. So number 6 to 10. Hi in homework tura kati khanya. Homework ula screenshot ton nge class zo vele hian karon da ngal thelo me the chan chu edit le de olek te kha ngai do na wang khan mo indo le screenshot ula ma se rei chuang lawang karon da har lawang answer om hal ve ka kan ka zong chu nge o karon da don nya group khan chuan hi number 15 to 11 to 15 number ki chu kati soal ni input kanin ready m so chan le nga char don input ta believe 44 venue ti vel how ki kan nei ta chuan step ruk kan nei step ruk na hi han en chin ta ula in tinge step 6 a hianin rhythm, day, joyful, venue, belief, adequate. 11, 34, 44, 63, 91, 29. Aron ni to mea. China kha alphabetical order ten mo increasing ascending order ten kan rema adik meta he po hi ni mel de hian ma se he v dota kha outward arrangement ani wang khan mo adequate hi masaber he heta masaber ani he adequate and in masaber nga adequate so I believe alphabetical order chu ni thau chuan venue, joyful, day, rhythm maron ni data alphabetical order chu ni to mel lo ta ni chuan dinglam kan en le a 11, 34, 44, 63, 91 ma se to bera 29 ron omle data ascending order po ani chuang lawa hei po hi engtin nge nyang engtin nge kan ti ang hemi output kan en atang ringot thi chuanin a logic kha kan shet chuak zo lawa ti tang hianin a step te hi han en sinta ula a masabera china ka hriattir masaber chu kha enge logic ania nga tiro in every steps engzat nge in perform ti te outward nge inward ti te kha kan check photang kan check dan tur chu veilam bera adequate ron da a ama a ommi a lo khania dinglam bera 11 ron da le a tiro chuan adequate le 11 outward arrangement chu ani ngal ti nani mai ka tikhan o outward arrangement ania chuan adequate zo a belief 11 zo a 34 kan ziak phutang in every steps two operations are performed operation pahnih kan nei step khata atir le atopa operation pahnih kan performa outward arrangement ani ti kha kan shele phutanga